Hi everyone, and thanks for watching. So here I started off by making my regular batch, just blending in lye water and oils, and then I added my essential oils. I just used lavender, so I blended it a little bit, and then I let my batter be a little bit runny so I can pour, because pouring takes a little bit of a time here. Then I split my batter into 3 parts. They were not equal parts, one larger to be a plain batter, and then 2 equal amounts for the colored ones. So for myself, I had 1,000 grams of batter. So I had 400 grams of plain batter, and I had 300 grams for the colored ones, 300 grams for activated charcoal, and another 300 grams to be colored purple with the alkanet root powder. For pouring, I used funnel pitchers, like the ones you see right now. And for the plain one, I just used the bowl. So whatever you have available, you can use it. It's best to use the funnel pitchers because they keep the batter concentrated in one spot. If you don't have it, it's okay. Bowls will work just fine. And I used the bowl for the white one because I need bigger spots, and that's why I had the white part bigger more than like the other parts. So to begin pouring, I had to lift my mold from the left side. I used my hand, and then I just put a little paper towel underneath until I can fill up the right side. And then once I got it filled, I had to lift my mold from the right side like that, and then keep pouring. You can make the pattern you like. So I would usually go white and then purple and then black or white, and it doesn't really matter. Just go with the pattern that you prefer. So here, keep pouring until you have the left side of the mold filled up. Then you just remove the paper towel from underneath. You can use a towel, you can use anything you have. So white again. There, I removed the paper towel. Purple. And then here, just to finish up with the batter. So that's black. And then white. And then just cleaning up some of the mess I made. And here we go. I'll just let you enjoy the cut. You can use the same pouring technique using different colors. So for this particular batch, we used alkanet root for the purple color. And in this one, I used spirulina powder to make a green color. You can use spinach powder as well. You can use clay, turmeric, any coloring that you would like. Alright, thanks for watching, and please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video.